Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show presentation notes on Microsoft Teams. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up your PowerPoint presentation and then just come here and click on View on the top panel. Once you've clicked on View, I want you to click here on Notes. So here you can see the notes, right, at the bottom. Then you come to your Microsoft Teams, right, here is the meeting. You go ahead and click here on share, okay? And then we have presenter mode. So you can show either content only, or what you can do is just go ahead and share, your entire screen, right? And that will basically show it with the notes as well. So you can see here at the bottom, you can see it's sharing the notes as well, not just the content, okay? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.